Attention everyone. This is an emergency broadcast. An unidentified anomaly has been spotted within or near the following counties: Blake County, Fargo County, Wesco County, Lago County, Corona County. Anyone who is stationed in these locations is in immediate danger and should remain inside their homes. We ask that you follow these important steps to ensure you and your family's safety. Step 1. Be sure to secure any entrance points inside your home. Step 2. Remain in a secure point inside your home with no windows, such as a basement or attic. Step 3. Be sure to keep some form of protection with you, such as a firearm or sharp object. Step 4. Be sure to keep a consistent supply of food and water, along with a radio to remain informed of any important alerts. Step 5. Remain calm. Your self-awareness is important for you and your family's safety. Step 6.